Abigail. Naomi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Aunt Mary.
Hi, Aunt Mary.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Oh, stop. Don't take the phone. You can't have the phone. Uh-oh, now she's mad. Abigail. Abigail. Uh-oh. There's Naomi. She's crying. Why is Naomi crying?
Put that up.
Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Naomi. No, you can't have it. You can't have that, Abigail. Say, I love you.
I can let me hold it.
No, I'm not letting you hold it, and I'm not letting Naomi hold it. Naomi. Ooh. No, you can't have it. Say hi. Hi. Blow Aunt Mary a kiss. Okay. Naomi. You're gonna do it too.